What is the true meaning of perfection? To us, it means hard work. It means countless hours of research to develop something out of nothing. To us, perfection means dedication, to never settle. With over 50 years of experience, trusted by the Swedish Armed Forces, we've learned about discipline and true precision. Now we pass that on to you. By constantly pushing boundaries and trying new things, we've managed to create the smallest ANC headphones in the world, giving you the best sound, comfort, and user experience. We call it true perfection, made with military DNA.